Hello and welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we are looking at a 3-bedroom bungalow with a simple and modern design. Now the modern look features a sloping roof with parapet walls, so it has the semblance of a flat roof, but it is a sloping roof. That is the front of the house that features a porch that goes around the house and then a car park. The porch is covered with a slab that extends to the car park, which shields your cars from harsh weather, that is the heat and also rain. But you could also have an exposed car park. The choice is yours. Now as you go to the back, you can also access the porch through that sliding door at the back. So you have 2 accesses from the house into the porch. And this is the backyard. That there is a gas cage that goes from the kitchen to the gas cylinder. This here is the backyard. Now the space is relative. It depends on how much land you have. It will determine on how much your backyard is and how much your front yard is. Right here at the backyard, from that access from the kitchen, you can see there is a wash area. It could be a dog wash area or a laundry area. It doesn't have the usual concrete Dobby sink that I normally provide, but it does offer opportunity for washing anything that you might need. Back here is where the bedrooms are. This is your first bedroom. And then right there is the second bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is featuring a corner window. And the corner window has several advantages, as I normally state. It provides more natural light into the room. And it also offers panoramic views to the outside. This is the front of the house and the main entrance to the house. Now the house features 3 material palettes, that is the rendered plaster, natural stone, and composite wood that is used to accentuate several areas of the house. So from this part of the video, then we'll move on to the floor plans. Now this is the front of the house with the main entrance right there. From the bird's eye view, that is what you see. Now you have the porch that surrounds the house in that manner, that you can access through this door and also through that sliding door from the dining area. And then this is the car park that I was talking about. You can easily park very many cars. Okay, like 3, but one of the cars will be outside. The only disadvantage here is that to move the car at the back, you'd have to move the ones at the front. But if you have the land, then you could easily increase that particular width. So let's look at the plan in totality. Now, this bungalow has a very optimized design where each space is designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. You have the open lounge and kitchen, lounge and dining, and then the kitchen is closed up, but you have the option of opening it up such that you have a very open space from the lounge to the kitchen. And then from the kitchen, you do have that space there where you enter the pantry, which is this space right there. And then you have the laundry area there as you move outside to the kitchen end. And then from this area here, then you enter the private areas of the house. You could easily put a door there or leave it open, because also your visitors have to access that particular bathroom there. So you have one bedroom there, the other bedroom here, which share this bathroom in the middle. And as you move further down into the corridor, then you access the master bedroom, which is that space there, and it is ensuite with its bathroom over there. Now, as you can see, the rooms are very fluidly interconnected, and it creates a spacious and inviting space. So the spaces are not too large, but they also offer comfort and efficiency. And one feature about this bungalow is that it interconnects the indoor and outdoor spaces in order to maximize the natural surroundings. So the outdoor space is a key feature of this bungalow. It's always not good to just stay crammed up indoors. Sitting outside is a very good option. Now, let's see what the spaces look like. So that's the lounge. And one thing about this house, natural light. As you can see, you have that window there, and then the glass sliding door, which offers a lot of natural light within the space. And then this corner here can offer an option for having storage. So as you enter the house, you have some storage right there. And then from the dining, you can have a sink at this corner so that you don't have to go into the bathroom to wash your hands in order to dine. And from the dining area, then you get into the kitchen, which is what you have there. So you have your fridge over there, and then you have your cooker over there and the sink. So this cooker is what has a gas pipe to the outside to this gas cage over there. I always advocate to have the gas cage outside, the gas cylinder outside. So from the kitchen, as I stated, you get into this space here, which is the pantry. And then right there is the laundry area with the washing machine as you get outside to the backyard. And the backyard has this wash area. It can be used for, mopping the house if you want to wash with buckets, wash your carpet, such things. And it could also be used as a dog wash area. This is the first bedroom, which accommodates 2 3x6 beds. And then as you move further, and as I stated, so these bedrooms are accessed through this corridor here. So this point here is what now demarcates the private areas of the house. Now this nook here is put purposely to accommodate a shoe rack and more storage. Then that is the common bathroom that is shared between the 2 bedrooms, which is this bedroom and this bedroom, and also now for the guests. And further down is the master bedroom, which is ensuite So that is what you have there, with the closet space right there. So the plan in totality, that is what you have. So for the whole roof that I was talking about, that is what you have. So as I stated, it is a sloping roof, which is sloping one way, which in terms of cost is very effective. And then it has now the parapet walls around it. Now the parapet walls give it the appearance of a flat roof, but it is indeed a sloping roof. Now that is what you have for the house. So let me know what you like about this house, what you would improve about this house, because as I always say, you can never stop learning. Even if I claim to be a good designer, I could stand to learn a lot more. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and also leave comments down below. And I'll see you next time. As we always say, live large.